What's happening, everybody? It's been a long while, a minute, since I have made an official video. I am so excited right now. Just came home, just got this. Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Let's pop this bad boy open. Went to Best Buy Mobile to get this phone. This morning, I called many Best Buy locations to see if they got the unlocked version of the phone. This is the phone right here. Put the plastic on it. I'm just setting this to the side. Many doohickeys and other stuff like that. Oh. Got the tray removable. Take the SIM card out. Alright. Earphones. Keep those for backup. Always collect earphones for backup, just for the other ones that one blows out and such. Oh, what's this? USB connector. Oh. Wonder where this goes. Oh, what's this? This for the USB connector. This goes right here. Wow, they sure did really change the plugs on this. Let me try this out for a second. See if these fit. Nope. No other normal charger fits. So I just have to rely on this USB connector for charging a phone. That's a bummer. New stuff won't fly by. Gotta embrace the new. SIM card remover. Earbuds. The black power brick itself. It's black instead of white. And here's the phone itself. I'm showing again. Ain't this beautiful? Wow. Fit perfectly in my hand. 6 point. Ooh, this is really tight for a 6.3 inches phone right here. It's a bad boy. It's going to worth lasting for a very long time. So, that's it for this open up video. I hope everybody enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Peace to y'all.